This guide will help you remove a device from your Wealthfront account in a few simple steps. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. Open your web browser or the Wealthfront app and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile icon or a gear icon. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the Security section. In the Account Settings, look for a section labeled Security or Devices. This section will contain information about the devices currently linked to your Wealthfront account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Review the list of devices connected to your account. Identify the device you wish to remove and click on it to view more details. There should be an option to remove or disconnect the device. Step 5. Confirm the removal. After selecting the device, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to remove it. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal process. You may receive a notification confirming that the device has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage the devices connected to your Wealthfront account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wealthfront's customer support for assistance.